Array implementation of a queue. The queue array will be implemented using an array of fixed size. So here the size of the array is fixed. Once you have declared the size of the array for the queue, throughout the program you have to use that size only. You cannot able to resize the queue array during execution. And there are two pointers we will use in queue array. One is the front pointer and another one is the rear pointer. So here the representation of queue array will be like this. So here I said the size of the array should be fixed throughout the program. So here I will declare the size of the array as 5. That is, starting location is 0 and the last location is 4. So totally 5 memory locations starting from 0 to n minus 1. And here for example I have placed 3 elements. Okay. And now the rear pointer will be pointed here. And what is the first element in the queue array? That will be pointed by the front pointer. Okay, the last element where you have placed in the queue array, that is pointed by rear pointer. So front pointer is nothing but it points to the position where the dequeue or deletion operation happens. In the front pointer only you can able to implement the deletion operation or dequeue operation. Similarly, rear pointer if you are considering, it is the position where enqueue operation or insertion operation happens. Enqueue or insertion happens at the rear pointer and dequeue or deletion happens at the front pointer. Suppose if I want to insert a new element into this array, in the sense enqueue operation happens at the rear pointer only. So how this will happen? Just increment the rear position by 1. Now the rear pointer will be pointed to third memory location and place the element now. How the dequeue operation happens in the sense? Suppose if I want to delete an element from this queue array, in the sense, what is the first element inserted into this queue array? That will be the first element removed from this queue array. That's why queue data structure is called FIFO data structure. So here the first element will be deleted. Here is 10. That is the position where the front pointer points. That element will be deleted first. So if you want to implement dequeue operation, just increment the front pointer by 1. Now the front pointer will point to first memory location. Automatically this memory location will be free. Now front pointer will point to element 20, that is the first memory location element. Okay, in this way only enqueue and dequeue operation happens. One more operation we can able to implement in array queue, that is called peek or front operation. So what do you mean by peek or front operation in the sense? Just it will return the front pointer element. So here the front is pointing to first memory location element, that is 20. So here it will return 20 as the result for peek operation.